How to install Kismia dating app. So here is Kismia app, meet singles nearby. It's getting higher in the charts. It's an online dating app and site for serious relationships. Every day, thousands of people from all over the world are looking for a relationship. Register here to meet and chat with new people online, find love, make a date. And then, yeah, so let's just take a look here. As you can see, there are almost 40,000 like reviews ratings here, 4.5 out of 5 average rating. So yeah, seems it's kind of legit app because in this online meeting apps, there are a lot of scammy apps, to be honest. Sometimes they just appear in the app store and they just disappear the next week, so you just need to be careful with your personal data. I'm not 100% sure with this app as well, but here is like how it looks like. And then you can see like how it looks like. So let's just see what you need to do to create an account. And then like whatever, I'm just adding random replies for you to see how this app looks like. And then you need to upload photo. All right, so seems you need to upload photo. So here's just like as an example. Whatever, just and then you can just add some photo memories, and then what's it, and then then you can just whatever, and then that's basically the idea how you can just find some people here, and then it's just kind of creates profile for you, so you can start to swipe first people, and then it's kind of identifies based on your likes, so it's kind of maybe using some AI. And then there is Kismia Premium, where it's worth 1 month 14.99, 1 week 7.49, 6 months 39.99. So you can just then you can verify your profile, and then you can just like see who is in the area, and then yeah, I don't know if all these people are basically near this area and how it looks like, but then you can just see your chats, you can see who are in the location, you can see who likes you, and then you can just yeah, so that's basically the idea. This app is not that popular as Tinder, therefore it's not like worldwide available. So if you live in some place where it's not available, like there can be less users, so that's just what it is. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So then you can just see some settings, smart messages, legal documents, help and support, so privacy, you can manage your privacy here, you can request your data, and then in the bottom you can delete an account if you want. There is like kind of light gray text. So you can enable notifications, connect social media, you can connect your Instagram, but as you want, of course. Then you can just edit your interests and things like this. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Hope it is helpful. There are already some messages I'm not sure actually. In these all apps, you should be quite careful, as of course there can be just AI bots or some automation for this app, and you should be quite careful if you instantly receive all these messages, and especially if you need to do some action to upgrade instantly. Just be careful. It can be some kind of gross hacking technique on their side. So that's just what it is. But yeah, explore this app. Seems it's not completely scammy. It has over 40,000 ratings. Give it a try.